This cicada has a unique life cycle, and this species are predicted to live 2 to 7 years of lifespan. Stacua speciosa are commonly found in the secondary forest and the virgin jungle area. These species are a good indicator for forest health and become a balance between the forest biodiversity. They live underground to consume a nutrient from plant root during the NIM stages, and it will come out
Every 13 and 17 years, species of cicadas only found in North America emerge from the ground to transform into their adult form. And are practically defenseless against any predator. For many predators, this is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity for easy food. I mean, that one almost looked like it didn't even try to survive. And as weird as it sounds, offering themselves as a never-ending buffet is extinction, humans come to mind. Cicada recipes are popping up all around, and some restaurants are serving up cicada sushi, cicada tacos, avo cicada. The US FDA asked people not to eat cicadas if they are allergic to seafood. The proteins found in shellfish, like shrimps and lobsters, are very similar to the ones in cicadas. Putting cicadas and shrimps side by side, you can definitely see the resemblance.
These ones here, I found them to be the best, the young lemon, and the black prince as well. You can actually boil these as well, and nice and crispy. Alrighty, so I'll get these off. They've been on the grill for about a minute now. Getting the bush in, do need a bit of protein. These things are excellent. So this is them. Cicadas. I usually just take their wings on open. So all you're doing, guys, is just literally going to eat the bums of them. That's the best part.